Are you currently preparing for Salesforce Developer interview? If yes, then you are at the right place because in this video, we will be discussing complete interview process that you have to go through before getting a job as a Salesforce developer. Salesforce developer interviews typically consist of multiple rounds. So let's break them down and discuss what type of questions that you can expect in each round. So in general, companies have 4 rounds of interview. Number 1, aptitude round. Number 2, pen paper round. Number 3, technical round. And number 4, HR round. So let's discuss about these rounds and what questions you can expect in these rounds. The first round is aptitude test that will assess your logical skills, problem solving skills and critical thinking skills, for which you can prepare from the websites like indiabix.com or freshersworld.com, which will provide you with the simple questions and practice test that will allow you to understand the topics like numerical ability, logical reasoning and data interpretation. But it's also important to know that this round will be generally for the freshers to know that they are trainable or not. The second round usually involves pen paper test that evaluate the technical knowledge of Salesforce development. Now this round totally depends on your experience, because if you are a fresher, then companies will not be expecting much from you and they will be asking some basic programming questions like sort an array or shifting the number clockwise or anti-clockwise. And if you are experienced, then the questions will be more specific to the position that you are applying for. There are some direct questions that you can expect in this round, like what is the difference between triggers and flows? What is the difference between master detail and lookup relationship? What is the role of validation rule in Salesforce? How can you prevent duplicate records in Salesforce, and what is the purpose of SOQL? Moving on to the third round, the technical interview, where again for freshers the questions will be around the programming only, and for the experienced candidate the questions will be focused onto the practical understanding of Salesforce development and their prior work experience. Apart from technical understanding of the platform, the questions can be there from these topics like data modeling, data security, process automations, Apex triggers, SOQL, DML and some basic understanding of standard apps. And I'm not saying that you should avoid all the other topics, but these are the topics you should focus more on. Additionally, in technical interviews, you may also encounter some scenario-based questions in which they will be giving you some hypothetical situations and ask you how you'll handle them. It's important to think critically and demonstrate your problem-solving skills by providing the logical and practical solution. Finally, let's talk about the HR round. This round aims to check whether you are fit within the company culture or not, and your ability to work well with others. Question that you can expect in this round will be based on your prior experience, your motivation for joining the company and your long-term career goals. So it's important to showcase your communication skills, teamwork ability and your passion for the role and the company. So it's important to know that interview questions and the rounds can be varied depending on your experience. As a fresher, you might be getting some fundamental questions to check your understanding of basic concepts and your willingness to learn. On the other hand, experienced candidates may face in-depth technical questions based on their prior experience and projects. We hope this video has provided you with the valuable insights and help you in the interview preparation. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such useful content.